2017 Cadillac XT5. With less than 49,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: cross-traffic alert, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.